guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Creative Creations. I'm Latoya, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how easy and quick it is to make your kids first day of school signs for them to take their first day of school pictures. We're going to be working over on Canva, so make sure you watch the video all the way to the end for a goodie. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Stay tuned. Okay, so once you're logged in on canva.com, and remember, you can create a free account. Canva is free. They do have a pro version, but the free version works just as well for beginners. So we want our page size to be 11 by 8.5. You can just click here on custom dimensions and put in those numbers and make sure it's in inches. Usually you can see some shortcuts here. This is the certificate, and you can click here and it will give you the same size sheet of paper that we need. So we're going to click create a new design. Alright guys, so once your blank page pulls up, you can go up to the upload tab and upload any clip arts and images and backgrounds that you want to use in your design. If you're interested in the clip arts that I'm going to be using in this example, I'll leave a link in the description box down below. This was just a quick example for you all, but you can definitely keep going and adding more to your design if you want to. You can change up your font. You can make it multiple colors if you want to. And how you would do this is you would go up to the font that you want to change. You would click on each letter at a time. You would go up to the color tab and you would change the color.